Hey guys, so today I am unboxing the Apple AirPods, which are now supported with iOS 10, watchOS 3, and macOS 10.12. So over here it says AirPods, Apple logos. So now that I've got this, it can stand up to like 9 hours of battery and for listening to music. So as you can see, I can just get this up. So this AirPod set comes with the charging case. So right now, we're gonna open this. And as you can see, it's the normal manual, which says designed in California. So we're not gonna read through that now. So, and here are the EarPods, that's just charger. So you'll get a charger with this, and first what you'll need to do is tear this open. Get this out. So the AirPods will come inside of their charging case. These are the AirPods. So this is the part which connects through Bluetooth. And as you can see, this case uses your normal iPhone 6 charger, and that's a sign that it's charging your EarPods. Plus, this is also a place where the EarPods plug in. As you can see at the bottom of the charger, there is a piece that plugs into it, and white means they're ready to be used. So you can go ahead and if you can see, this box is magnetic on the edges so that you can open and close it easily. That's why you hear a slam whenever I open and close. And it comes with the charger, so yeah. And it should come with Apple stickers, but they don't actually have them, so see you in the next video, which would probably be the review on these Apple AirPods. See you next time, guys, and peace.